hato pila sngewbha ka Jingshad ka Phio na school ne pidang sngodon kam ban tip khambha shishu ya ka core computer one ha AICS lane Advanced Institute of Computer Science kabadon ha paham sim Nongpoh mar persya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School nyidon sibun kir Nonghikai ban tip ya ka computer bantip khambnia shishu phun hau number pra line nyo ar nyo sau ar ndriu nyo lane praiwe line ar not sau pra san sau one mapi hikai mangi banang ban start mapi ban sengan galawai jong gari om tangkata henrengi diru ya ki laptop bat ki computer ki barim lane ki all stock ha kedor ke babit bat ki mar ki badang tip top.
Hak lingku Sngi jong ratba nongelam san pertai kari India Dr. S. Radhakrishnan bala long teng kumu Vice President beningkong jong kari bala batru kumu President baar jong kari haus nam khat khandai spa andri puar hadu snam khat khandai spa andri punyo hadian bala yo ya ka jinglai lo na ka jingsan shar ki doli uniu riu kraw kari udei wei ba iya ya ka kam kumu Nonghikai school bat ka ba ka sarkar India kala itu kerpang ya ka Sngi jong uniu riu kraw kum ka Sngi kerpang ki Nonghikai pok kari ya kabala tip kum ka Teachers Day. Haka Jingrakhe ya ka Sngi kerpang bandri pulai jong Nonghikai pok kari ya kabala tip kum ka Teachers Day. Hari Bhoi district la pelong ya kani ka Jingrakhe ya kani ka Sngi kerpang ki Nonghikai ha parish hall Nongpoh ya kabala pelong da ka office jong ka district school education officer ha ka jing lang bat ka office jong sub divisional school education officer Ri Bhoi district. Hagani ka Sngi la pelong yaki program baper kentup yaki Jingrwai ki Jingshad baki drama lengkon ban pensngu tenat yaki Nonghikai kum ka Burom ya ka Sngi kerpang jongki. Na lor ki wei ki nong syak khot sngewbha hagani ka Sngi la wan ban yadon lang ru dau MLA ka Jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun kum kongsan u Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi district u Shri Abhilash Baranwal IS kum sembut kongsan ka Shrimati Ruby Z Das kabade ka Joint Director of School Education and Literacy bat kabade ru ka District School Education Officer Ri Bhoi District Nongpoh haka jingdon lang u Shri R Lisal bade SD SEO Ri Bhoi District ki Nonghikai nag school baper ki badan hasor Nongpoh lem bat ki khana school. Hagani ka Jingrakhe ya ka Sngi kerpang ki Nonghikai Nongpoh ki nong syak khot sngewbha hab a jingkren ki lapan pau ba ki Nonghikai ki de ki kemie ki pa baar bar ka jingdon jongki ha ki shlam ai Jingkai ka de ki jingsan dor ya ka jabieng jongki khana school ki balai wat jingnang jingstar. Nalor ki Jingrwai ki Jingshad bat drama lengkon hagani ka Sngi la pelong ru ya ka jingpen kop Burom ya ki Nonghikai jong school baper ki bala yo ya ka khusnam bat ka jing itu na ka sarkar ya ka jing tresh tom jongki haka kam ka bagi trai kum ki Nonghikai ki bala yo ya ka khusnam na ka district na ka state bat kum juru na ka national award.
Gratitude and admiration for his tireless efforts and contributions to the field of education. Thank you very much. 7 years, Srimati Nongpoh has made significant contributions to the school and the broader community. Recently appointed as Vice Principal on 1st August 2023 by the Managing Committee, Srimati Nongpoh has consistently played a pivotal role in the school. Over her remarkable 10-year career, Srimati Nongpoh has played a vital role in shaping the lives of young learners and advancing the standards of education at the school. As a head teacher, Srimati Nongpoh has not only led by example but has also stepped as an instructor during the principal's absence, ensuring the smooth running of the school. Today,
awarded today. We have seen the skits, we have seen the songs sung by the students. It relates to the hard work of the teachers. It relates to the teachings of the teachers. And every responsible teacher always is working hard and making the commitment in every class, in every subject that they are for. Teachers, I believe, they always give the best to the students. I being a teacher myself also, I think maybe most of you, you know, had a discussion with SDSU that I myself also in the year 1994, 95 and 2006-07. I was teaching in one of the schools in the remote area of Soyo, and then after that in the year 2006-07, I was teaching there in the EM Shui Professor School, Shillong, Nongpoh. I got the chance every time a teacher, when we go to class, we always try to be the best, and I believe that our teachers, they always give the best. They always present their best knowledge giving to the students in any subjects, in every subjects they are taking. Education is the main tool that is changing the world. Remember, we are here as students. You have to always think. You have to always note in mind that any teacher who is taking any subjects for you, they are there to help you building a great future. We may have great scientists, we may have great doctors, or we may have great officers in different fields. But we have to know from where they start. They start from school. In a school where there are teachers who are teaching them. I am very happy to learn that there are different awardees. There are state awardee, the National Award 2024, Sri Everlasting Kungu, the Principal of Milton Christian Higher Secondary School, Bhoi. I would like to congratulate Sri Everlasting Kungu for his dedication and hard work in building up a better society by nurturing the students and the dedication that each teacher, the steps, the first, second, third, fourth, or whatever steps every teacher is taking. And I would like to congratulate Sri Param Chetri, who is the state awardee. Congratulations to him. And we have also other teachers from the district. Sri Sukanta Bhattacharya. Congratulations to you, sir. And listening to your words, I feel very proud, and it's an encouragement as well that you're sharing in your classroom the joy that you feel in giving knowledge to the students.
But the schools and teachers have a lot of role to play. And especially schools and teachers which are interested in making lives. So to all the faculties who are present over here, to all the esteemed teachers, I know your job is tough. It's not easy to manage so many number of children, especially when the workload is high, probably 5-6 classes every day, keeping track of the entire syllabus, and more importantly, there is a certain monotony which also sets in that day in and day out you are doing the same thing and again. So be that as it may, but I want, from here as Deputy Commissioner, as your friend, what I want to request all of you is to think about it, is to try and shift your perspective. That it's not a mere job, it's not a mere bricklaying job, it's not a mere carrying soil job, it's not a mere lecturing job, it's not a mere examination conducting job. It's a job of making lives. You should, what I want to appeal is that you should think about it. You should try and change your perspective. Perspective should be that you are making the future of this society, you are building the future of the country. Because ultimately the children of today who are in your schools, who are your students, they are going to be the future. They are going to grow up and they will decide how the society will turn out to be. So in that regard also, many times as citizens we have many complaints that our system could happen like this, our society could happen like this. We as a society we are too impolite, as a society we are too rude, as a society we are very intolerant. I don't know. We all have our own complaints from the society. But since as faculties you are building the future of the society, you are building the future of this country, you cannot just complain. Whatever complaints you have from the society, you should see how those things are, how those things are addressed in the future.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun Sngi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru yue ar nyau lai